Hey guys, YouTube world, the interwebs of YouTube. How are you guys doing? I hope you're having a good day. It's Friday. I just got done covering the Ethereum video as well as the DOGECOIN video. Make sure you guys check that out. It'll be in the description of this YouTube video. All right, for our ADA, we're going to go over the breaking news for this, and then I'm going to go over the metrics, the longs versus the short trades, the emotional index of the market, the death cross, the long versus the short trade risk, the support resistance of the whales, as well as what are the whales doing? What trades are they taking at the moment that you guys can follow? All that in this short little video here, under 10 minutes. Okay, so the overall news is interesting. This is actually the #1 trending article right now on all of Google for price prediction of Cardano. So let's see what it's talking about here. This is what it says. The daily chart shows that the momentum on Cardano was waned recently, okay? Indeed, the coin managed to move below the 100-day moving average as well as the 50-day moving average. It also seems to be forming a head and shoulders pattern. Yes, this is true on the 1 day. I'm trading on the 4-hour, but this is true if you're looking at the 1 day here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, move back down, okay? Which is usually a bearish sign. The neckline of this pattern is around $1. All right. Therefore, in my view, I suspect that the current rebound does not have legs. There is a possibility that the price will assume the downward trend before a viable long position emerges. However, a move above $2 will invalidate this bearish thesis. So they're looking for a move above $2 here to invalidate this move down. Now, obviously, that's kind of yes, I understand what you're saying. I'm not bashing them by any means. Okay, so be clear on that. But I think we can get more bearish before moving to $2. Honestly, like that's above structure high, and obviously it's a psychological level. But to call out for $2 is quite high. All right, like I expect to exit this trade and enter in a trade and win another trade before we hit $2. So that's my personal plan on this whole channel. All right, so let's go over this real quick and then we'll go over the metrics. The trend dashboard is majority red. This means retail traders are looking to short as well as sell out of the market at the current moment. They're freaking out. Who knows how low we're going to go? I'll show you guys the emotional sentiment of the market here in a second. The price versus the well money flow. This indicator is amazing. It shows the price in pink, the well money flow in green. The indicator price is going to go up July 1st, so make sure you guys get this today and put it on your chart so you guys can have that. But this is definitely showing us that price as well as money flow is correlating in positive direction downward, and you guys need to be paying attention to trend exhaustion. Is this downward trend represented in white at the bottom yet? By no means. Like, we absolutely could head down a whole lot further because we have not touched the bottom red section down here. Now, I know some of you guys are looking at this, so I will point it out to you guys on the chart. You're looking at the descending support line here, and yes, it actually has been broken very fast. That's probably why we see a lot of traders getting here and shorting the market and selling, because we broke this 1, 2, 3 touch, got a little bit of a bounce on a green candle, and then we broke below here. That probably sent a lot of retail traders and even some big institutions looking for short trades. But let's go over the metrics because this is what you guys probably really came for. You ready for this? If you guys watch my other videos, you already know the surprise, but boom, here we go. June 25th, guess what's happening in the market as a whole? Bitcoin short trades are increasing yet again. Oh boy, here we go. Every time we try to get a move up in the market, long trades are increasing, we see shorts take over. So it's kind of interesting. If you guys look back here, at January into February and March, like the beginning of the year, like we were just cruising here, guys. No short trades, no short trade, no short trades. And then boom, short trades on May 17th sent the price down 40% in 1 day. Okay, it was like 1 day we saw a ridiculous move down. 2 days is what it pretty much encapsulated, 1 to 2 days, but a 40% move down. And then we saw the greatest amount of shorts that have ever been placed on Bitcoin in the entire year. Okay, insane. And now we're seeing another move back up. Like, make sure you guys are watching this over the weekend always check tradeconfident.io and simply just come up to the top section here. I made it very easy for you guys. They're all in stars. All right, long versus the short trades. If the short trades start taking off up here and getting up to this section again, my hope for another bull market is going to be diminished quite a bit. Like, this is pretty bad news for all of us looking to go long because they're trying to short again. But let me show you some more stuff in here, and we won't make conclusions just yet, okay? Emotional index. The emotional index is definitely showing us that the overall sentiment of the market is still in this anxious phase. It's very clear this is true, and you need to understand this and watch this because the whales are going to buy your guys' anxious and fearful thoughts and all your motives and all your selling pressure, okay? And when you guys are greedy and this orange line gets in the top section up here, okay, this is where they look to short out the market because you guys are getting a little too greedy, all right? I'm being honest with you. If you want to get out of the market, you can't have a lot of greed because they're going to short you anyways, and you don't have billions of dollars to tell them otherwise, okay? The death cross is still active on all of the crypto market, okay? Bitcoin death cross means a death cross for all their coins because Bitcoin will rise and lower all other altcoins. It's clear. We see it in all of our portfolios. So yes, we see it in all of our portfolios. I'm currently down about $650 at the moment, and I have my buy limits in here at $1. 99 cents and then 50 cents for ADA. Just going to be transparent with that with you guys, okay? The long trade risk. You want to take long trades or short trades today? Well, it's going to lie in the neutral phase today. So honestly, I personally would not be looking to take any trades today. That's just my personal opinion. That's not financial advice. But if you guys are watching this on a daily basis and you're like, man, I really want to trade today, just do yourself a favor. TradeConfident.io, go to the long and short trade risk and just check to see if you're on the right side of the market, okay? It will help you greatly. Just stay on the right side, and this will help your long trades from going against you if you guys wait for the good long trade entry at the bottom here. Okay, the well support and resistance and the well trades are next. So the hidden money, where's the hidden money? Well, it's sitting right here. I'm gonna make this really fast because you guys probably watched the other two videos, but basically what this shows is a strong support here at about $31,000 as far as ADA, where that correlates to. It's actually right around here at about $1 is where Bitcoin, if it were to come down and were to hit these bottom, these are called high volume nodes. If it were to hit these areas where a lot of volume went through at this price, then that is where I expect to see a bounce. And for ADA, I do think that's close to around probably like $1.10 to $1. Okay, that's just what I'm looking at. It's not too crucial right now, but we need to be watching this because if we break below 31,000 for Bitcoin, it's a fast drop down to 26,000. And yes, $26,000 definitely puts us below $1, and that's going to be some incredible buying opportunities again for everybody in the market. Okay, what are the whales doing at the moment? This is smart money. Are they looking long? Or are they looking short? Well, they're taking their short trades off the books. Okay, that's what I'm gonna be telling you guys. It's clearly, I'm so sorry, guys. Long trades. Just look at the chart, Travis. It's right in front of your face. The long trades are definitely coming off of the books, and they're actually pushing more towards short trades at the moment. So if over this weekend, I'm not going to be covering videos Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. I'm going to be on vacation with my wife for baby moon, but I'll be back Tuesday, okay? This is definitely looking like short trades are going to start taking over. If we start to see this over the next few days, Saturday and Sunday, guys, if you start to see this type of move in the market, that is a sign that we are most likely going to get some huge wells and institutions to come in here and short. Look at that candle right there. Jeez. Like, this volume is ridiculous for shorts. And literally right after this moment here, there was no possible way this price was going up, and all the altcoins are like, they are going to crash. That's exactly what happened. A spike this big, I literally woke up one morning, I saw this. The next morning I woke up and it doubled, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is crashing. And then it literally, we just crashed like crazy. And then I'm looking at this over here, and I'm like, oh my gosh, we doubled. And then we're getting these high peaks over here that are correlated to all these highs. And I'm like, yeah, it's got to be a bottom. And then boom, ADA goes up over 20% when it hits, it's like definitely over 20% at the high. So the high here is a 37 to 38% move when it hit that dollar. So make sure you guys are watching this. This is telling you what the wells and institutions are doing. Like, I don't know if you've ever seen these metrics before, but these are all live. They're real on-chain volume metrics, okay? None of this is just like faked in here. This all uses real volume metric data to pull this in here, okay? I personally think volume data is the best. Now, let me just say this real quick. I cover news articles on this channel honestly because I think you guys enjoy it. If you're going to ask me my personal opinion, I'm not looking at articles when I trade. I look at the market metrics is what I'm calling this. This tells me what the whales are doing and what the death cross looks like, as well as the long and short positions. This is what big institutions and whales are looking at. This is what they look at. They don't look at the news because they're the ones creating the news and they're the ones dishing the articles out to you guys. So I cover news because I think you guys enjoy it, and I sometimes enjoy reading some of the crazy stuff that comes out on the internet. But honestly, every morning you guys should be checking TradeConfident.io and looking at these metrics. That will help you guys in the market trade better. That's my personal opinion. I've seen that be true. Okay, so let's wrap this video up, guys. For ADA, I do have a sell limit in my exchange at $1.56. Obviously, I'm using Coinbase over here. So if I do get triggered there, it'll be a nice percentage gain of 10.94%, and that will actually be added to the trades over here, TradeConfident.io. I'm live trading in the top 15 currencies, so if you guys want to come over here and trade with me, that would be sweet. The last trade we ended up winning was on DOGECOIN, and that was a profit of 15.14%, and that was a sweet little trade down here. We hit the entry. We went down a little bit, and we got up. We didn't even actually hit the second buy limit. We went straight up and just went to 15%. So that was awesome. As we win more trades, I'll be posting them there. All the losses as well as the wins will be at tradeconfident.io. All right, guys, have an amazing weekend. That is the full analysis update. You don't need me on the videos anymore, really. Just go over to tradeconfident.io. Follow the market metrics every day. I will be eventually charging monthly for this. It's not going to be an outrageous monthly price, but this is going to be extremely valuable to help you guys trade better. All these in the star section up here. Okay, guys, God bless you. Keep your head up. I'll keep the videos coming starting Tuesday of next week after I get back from vacation, but all this will be updated. This is stuff you really want us to pay attention to anyways. Okay, guys, have a good one. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.